What you just saw was generated by a free Google AI tool in under 60 seconds. And here's the part that stops most people cold. You can put yourself in that scene, your face, your movements, transformed into any character, any environment, any cinematic world you can imagine. Google Gemini Omni just changed what's possible for content creators, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. This is the complete walkthrough. Setup, the killer feature most people are missing, and how to use this for your YouTube channel starting today. Welcome to the AILabReport. I'm Jeremy. This channel is about using AI tools to build real content and real income, and Gemini Omni is one of the most powerful free tools I've tested this year. Everything I show you today is free to access, no paid subscription required. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Gemini Omni? It's Google's most advanced AI model, built directly into Gemini at gemini.google.com. No separate app, no waitlist. What makes Omni different is its multimodal capability. It doesn't just understand text, it understands video, images, and audio simultaneously. And it can generate video output that looks genuinely cinematic. The feature we're focused on today is called Video-to-Video Transformation, V2V. You record yourself doing anything. Then you give Gemini Omni a reference image, a character, a style, an environment, and it transforms your footage into that world. Your movements preserved, your identity transformed. This is the feature going viral across YouTube right now, and most tutorials are only scratching the surface of how to use it. Before you use V2V, there's a one-time setup called Google Video Verification. This is how Google creates your personal digital twin inside Gemini. Open Gemini, navigate to Account Settings, and find Video Verification. Record yourself reading a short sequence of numbers on screen. Takes about 60 seconds. This recording anchors your likeness in Gemini. You do this once, and every V2V generation from that point uses your actual face and movements as the foundation. This is the feature. Here's the exact process step by step. Step 1. Record your source video. Use your phone. Film yourself speaking or moving naturally for 30 to 60 seconds. Step 2. Open Gemini and upload your video clip to the chat window. Step 3. Upload your reference image, the character or visual style you want to become. Step 4. Write your transformation prompt, something like, transform the person in this video into the character in this reference image. Preserve all movements and gestures. Gemini returns a transformed video clip. Your movements preserved exactly, the visual aesthetic completely replaced. The applications for a YouTube channel are enormous. Tutorial host transformed into a futuristic AI character, bedroom demo transformed into a sleek studio, one recording session, infinite visual possibilities. Beyond V2V, Gemini Omni generates cinematic scenes from text prompts alone, no source video required. Go to Gemini, switch to the Omni model, and describe the scene you want. Cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night, neon lights reflecting in rain, drone camera pullback. What comes back is original AI-generated video that looks like it cost thousands of dollars to produce. Use it as B-roll for your YouTube videos starting today. Always disclose AI-generated content in your YouTube upload settings. The disclosure checkbox is required. Use it every time. One more feature. Gemini Omni is built directly into the YouTube app for Shorts creation. When watching a short, tap Remix and Gemini Omni generates a new short inspired by the original. It's a discovery engine built into the platform itself. For creators, your shorts become source material that Gemini remixes and distributes further. Organic reach you didn't have to produce yourself. That's the complete Gemini Omni breakdown. Video verification setup, V2V transformation, cinematic scene generation, and shorts remix. All free. All available today. My affiliate links for HeyGen, ElevenLabs, and vidIQ are in the description. Every tool I use to run this channel, all in one place. Subscribe! Next video covers AI affiliate marketing and how to earn commissions while your videos run on autopilot. I'll see you there.